Many people in one Pasco County community moved there to get away from the city life. But they say a proposed mining effort would replace the sound of birds chirping with dynamite explosions. Eric Waxler shows us how they're holding off the project from ever getting started.
Right up, where your gate and
Those who live in Shady Hills came to this part of Pasco County for country living.
The air, the wind coming through the trees, the openness of the property.
But Kimberly Vowell and her neighbor Jennifer Carroll are two of those worried about what might become of their lush landscape. That's because a neighboring landowner wants to mine for lime rock on his property. But to get to the lime rock requires blasts like this.
It's about 500 feet away from my house.
Jennifer says her home is the closest to the Largo Verde mine.
Living so close to something like that would really devastate us, and that's not why we moved out here.
Just the constant activity of the trucks and the bulldozers and the trudging would just destroy what we live out here for.
The property owner has been mining sand in hopes they'd reach water, create a lake, and build upscale homes around it. But 5 years in, their permit is up, and they still haven't hit water.
It's beneath this lime rock layer that we didn't even know existed when they started the sand mine.
Clark Hobby is the landowner's attorney. He told the Pasco County Commission mining for lime rock would have very little effect on those in the area, but the board still sided against him.
The folks who live in the closest vicinity just don't want it in their backyard.
The board did allow continued sand mining on this property, but for now, instead of a scenic lake, there's just a big hole in the ground.
It's a highly disturbed area, and there will be big cavernous holes in the ground if nothing else is done with it.
Those trying to keep the peace and quiet out here got what they wanted from the county commission: no mining for lime rock. But those on the other side say they'll keep fighting. In Pasco County, Eric Waxler, ABC Action News.